Hello guys, welcome in this video. In this video, we'll do more examples about the linear equation. We have talked about the linear equation in the past video. We explained the rules about how to solve it. And this video, it's just for example. Let's jump into the computer. The first example says we have 2 plus 4 over x equals to 8. What we can do now? We have said that we need to put the x in one side, the variable in one side of the equation, and the numbers in the other side of the equation. So now we can do just multiply the two sides by x, because this x is in the denominator, and in order to move it from the equation this side or the other side, we need to multiply it, and it will be cancelled from the denominator, and it will be in the one of the sides, so we can solve a normal equation. Then it will be 2 multiplied by x plus 4 over x multiplied by x equals to 8 multiplied by x, because we have said when we do an operation in one side, we need to do it in the other side too. It is just doing like that, multiplied by x, and here by x, and here by x. So this x will cancel this x, and we have 2x in this side and 8x in this side. So 2x plus this x will cancel this x, and we will have just 4 equals to 8x. So now we just need to move these terms with a variable with this term so they can stay together, and the 4 will be here. This 2x is a positive number, a positive term, and when we move it to the other side, it will be negative. So the result will be 4 equals to 8x minus 2x. Let's go to the other side here. 4 equals to 8x minus 2x, it's 6x. So what we can do now, divide the two sides by 6 in order to get rid of this x from this side, and it will be in the other side in the denominator. So it will be like that, 6x over 6 equals to 4 over 6. This 6 will cancel this 6, and we will have x equals to 4 over 6, and that means when we say like that, it's over 2, it's 2, and this over 2 is 3, then our x is equals to 2 over 3. Let's do another example so you can understand it. In this example, we have 2 over 5 x plus 2 quantity equals to 4. What we can do now? We just need to reform or retype this term of the equation in another form, so it will be easy for us. 2 over 5 multiplied by x plus 2 quantity, it's just like saying 2, open the brackets, x multiplied x plus 2, close the brackets, over 5 equals to 4. Now we need to move this 5 to the other side and get rid of it by multiplying the two sides by 5. So this 5 will cancel this 5, and we will have 4 by 5 here, 4 multiplied by 5 here, and the result will be 2x plus 2 equals to 20. Now it is very easy and obvious. We just need to move this 2 to the other side, because it's a number and this is a variable. This variable will need to stay here, and the number will go to the other side. So it is a positive number, so when it's moved to the other side, it will be a negative. The result will be 2x equals to 20 minus 2. Let's jump here now. Then 2x equals to 20 minus 2, it's 18. Then we have now 2 multiplied by x. In order to let this x alone, we need to divide the two sides of the equation by 2, and then the x will stay alone. The result will be 2x over 2 equals to 18 over 2. This 2 will cancel this 2, and we just have now x equals to 18 over 2 is 9. Our x equals to 9. We have another example. This example is like the best example. Now we need to get rid of this 10. So by what? By multiplying the two sides of the equation by 10 in order to get rid of this 10 here. And this x will be multiplied by 10. The result will be 3x plus 15 equal to 60. Now we need to, what we need to do now is to move this positive 15 to the other side. It will be negative. The result will be 3x equals to 16 equals to 60 minus 15. The other side, 3x equals to 16 minus 15, 45. Now we need to divide the two sides by 3 because we need this x to stay alone. This 3 will cancel this 3, and we have just x equals to 45 divided by 3, it is 15. X equals 15 for this equation. Another equation for you. We have 4 terms here. 25 minus 3x equals to 2x plus 20. What we can do now, we have this term is just number, and this term too is just number. So these two terms will stay in one side. This term is number and variable. This term is number and variable. So these two terms will need to stay in one side. The obvious thing to do now is to move this 3x to the other side. So we have 25 equals to 2x plus 20, and this minus 3x will be positive 3x. So here, positive 3x. Now we have this 20 here. We need to move it to the other side. It is a positive 20, so it will be a negative 20 here. The result will be 25 minus 20 equals to 2x plus 3x. So we have 25 minus 20 is 5 equals to 2x plus 3x, it's 5x. Then the result will be 5 equals to 5x. Now we need to divide the two sides by 5 in order to get rid of the 5's. Our result will be x equals to 5 over 5, it's 1, x equals 1. This was it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We post videos every day, so don't forget to check our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.